What's up, guys? Mike with NRGcreativ. Behind me, you see nav lights on the front. If you've got the GTX style hood like this, you can put nav lights on them. These require no wiring whatsoever. They are battery operated, rechargeable, and they're pretty bright. So they mount just like the camera mounts for the front. Matter of fact, let me show you real quick. All right, so after you pull your screws out here, your two screws, you got one there, you're gonna go ahead, set the light in there, grab your screws, screw them in place. Yep, don't drop your screw. There you go. And just tighten them down. It's that simple, guys. So you only have to snug them down. You don't have to crank on them. Remember, these screws are going into plastic, so be careful. Operation, real simple. You've got one press, and they are just steady on. You've also got a second press, a third press, and a fourth one. And then the fifth press is turning them off. Now these right here have rechargeable. They do come with the charging cord. You need to supply the power, but you can do it right here on the ski by using either an extension cord or a battery pack and just charge them. But you pull this waterproof cover off and it has you can get in there and see, a micro USB port. Be sure to put this back, your rubber, so it stays watertight. These are available in different colors, just like all my other mounts. So check them out on the website. And yes, they are waterproof if you seal them properly, guys. Nice, simple way. These are bright. They're viewable from about a little over half a mile. So lightweight, good solution if you do ride. We can't ride here in Florida at night, so you're not going to see me testing these, but they work pretty well. Guys, they're on the website. That's how you install it. We'll talk to you later.